Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Witch Tech here, and today I'm bringing you the best gaming headset for $100. Now, this headset comes in at $99.99, just under $100, and at this price point, you have really two headsets that can compete against each other. These headsets are the Turtle Beach 600 Stealth and the Astro A10s, but I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the Turtle Beach 600 Stealth today. So let's just take a quick look at the box real quick. You got the front right here. You got obviously the side, the back, which gives you a lot of information about the product. Focus that in real quick. You just got a couple features that it shows you right off the bat, which is kind of cool. And then you got the side, not much to that. Top, nothing much. You can read it if you want, but it doesn't really matter. The back, you don't really need to read that either. So yeah, that's it for the box. Let's get right into the unboxing. So, can't really open it from the front, so you gotta flip it around, like so. Turn it, pull this tab out, pull this part out, and you got this. Now for this, you want to lay it on its side. Now it's a little bit screeching, so just beware, care for your ears. And then you gotta pull this out, just like this. And we'll just put the box right here. So I'm gonna turn this around. Alright, so first look, you got this right here. This is just a little booklet of your manual and all that stuff, so I guess we'll open it. So just pull it out just like the regular box. Open it like a book. You can either pull these tabs or just pull them out. I'm just going to do that. And then we'll put this here. So, first up, we got the sticker. If Turtle Beach didn't include the sticker, I probably would have returned the headset already, but, I still got it, memories, Just put that right here. And then you got attention. You don't really need to read it, just informing you about tech support. This one's informing you about your warranty. You should probably visit this site. Link in the description. Alright, then you got your manual. This is worth reading through just to learn more stuff about the headset. Alright. Here it is. Just a couple things. This is what it includes. This is in the other language. I'll flip that. So, then you got a couple more stuff. This right here will come in handy later. I'll tell you more about that in a second. Alright, that's it for the little booklet, so now let's move to the actual headset. But first up, we have the charging cable. It comes in a little twist tie, so all you gotta do is twist it. And there you go. Now what's cool about this headset is that it works directly with the Xbox One 2 as well as the headset. So I'll just get a zoom in. Alright, after 5 years of trying to focus, I finally got it. So it is the same connector as the Xbox One. If you don't believe that, I will prove it to you, like so. Just plug it in, and there you go. It's a perfect fit. That's really it for the charging cable. Now the next part's obviously the headset, so I'll just show you that real quick. Now, it obviously looks extremely comfortable. In my opinion, it is. So, got that going for you. And you can twist these, so if you got a weird shaped head, it'll fit you just fine. You can wear it like this, like that, it doesn't really matter. And also, it's extremely adjustable. So if you got Peyton Manning's forehead, this will fit you just fine. And yeah, if you got a small head like me, you wear it like this or a few clicks out, doesn't really matter. And obviously you got the mic piece. This folds out. This is still in mute position. It'll click. You can't really move it like this, but you can move it a lot right here. And then this is now in the talking position. And then you got the power button, and then you have a mode button. The power button is right here. This is the mode button. And then on the side, you have the game volume control and the chat volume control. And that's really it on the headset itself. It also has a light indicator. But what's really cool about this headset is that you'll notice in this box, or in this little, display case thing, I don't even know what to call that, there's no cables. There's no cables here besides the charging cable. Now this is very nice because you'll notice the reason for it is this tiny button right here. Now, for anyone that has an Xbox One, you'll notice it's the same controller, or it's the same button on the controller itself. So this headset utilizes the same technology in making the headset wireless, which is very cool. Alright, that's it for the headset, guys. Let's move to a couple features it has. Alright. Wireless. Obviously, there's no wires to it. It's really cool. And then it's glasses friendly. So what it means is that you usually wear glasses like around here, and it's a much comfortable foam. Other than here, it's like very, very dense and not so mushy. And then you got all day battery life. So this headset will last you, if you're an 8 hours a day gamer, it'll last you 2 days. But for me, I don't play as much, but I do play a lot still. This will last me a good week and a half to 2 weeks. And flip up microphone. This is telling you that, it flips up and down to mute. You don't need a button to press on your controller or anything like that. And then sonic surround sound. This is very noise cancelling. And then there's a feature also called superhuman hearing, which is once the headset's on, this will be green. You click it again, you'll hear 2 beeps. And then your game volume and your chat volume will boost like 200%. And now you can hear like footsteps left, right, which helps in even very quiet games like Call of Duty and stuff like that. And audio presets, this is where you use the mode button. You'll get like bass boost, treble boost, all that good stuff. And also mic monitoring. You can hear the volume of your voice, so you don't just shove the mic down your throat and yell as loud as you can. It'll also hurt your ears as well as anyone in your party. And yeah, that's really it for the features. So now it's review time. So let me just pull out the headset I used to use. And it's the Turtle Beach X32s. They're very old. They're for the 360. But I bought this thing for 25 bucks. Microsoft headset adapter, which allows you to use a 360 mic on the Xbox One. And as you'll notice, the mic looks ancient. It also has a cable. I don't like that. And you'll notice that it doesn't have the foam on the top like the 600 Stealths use. So, it's extremely comfortable. Yeah, I've had this headset for a month and it's gotten me a lot better at games, and it's also gotten me to play a lot more. Like my old X32s, I could play for about 2 hours and then my ears would start hurting because of the hard foam and it wasn't very comfortable. But with the 600 Stealths here, 3 parts of foam allow me to play like all day and I don't even feel it's on my head. The only thing more comfortable is like regular headphones, like Apple headphones. Yeah, so I really do recommend the 600 Stealths. They're very comfortable. They're wireless. Just extremely good headphone or headset for $100. The only one you have is the Astro A10s. I've never used them. I know a couple people that have, and they've used my headset before and it's just so much better. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed, like the video and subscribe to the channel. All these parts or products that I've listed will be in the description, so just click the link in the description if you want to look at them or anything else. If you want to buy them, sick. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one, guys. It's been Witch Tech here. Peace.